300 bikes.
It's the Mongols.
Yeah,
300.
Oh, over 300.
1,000.
You think thousands?
No, I think there's probably like more like 500 or more.
They're from all over the area here.
Well, what do you fuck people
Well, they're
brains
wearing
up?
the colors, that's for damn sure.
Where do you fuck people up when they're driving?
They didn't fuck us up, they just freak us out. We're gonna start watching for the one here pretty soon.
Look at that, way up there.
Well, all those went by us already. Letters stripped away from him. It's patches. This says California on his. All the patches were full.
I only seen this once when I went to Vegas. There was tons of bikes like this. That was hundreds of years
That's why
ago.
they're called the Mongols, Jerry.
Huh?
You know why they're called the Mongols?
Because they're morons. I don't know why.
Because their own nationality. Different nationalities. They're not just white and they're not just black and they're not just Mexican.
They're not just any race. They're every race.
They're just mixed race.
Well, I don't appreciate them.
They're not hurting nobody. They're just driving on the freeway.
You gotta live and let live, Jerry.
Probably going to San Diego.
You don't bother them, they're not gonna bother you.
There's still tons of them coming behind us.
Still more.
Yeah. But I think it's pretty cool to keep to the south and not take up the whole 5 lanes.
Nobody wants to get near them.
No. You don't want to hit one or have one hit you. Oh shit. Guess he didn't like him.
Why, what happened?
He gave him the middle finger. Gave one of the ones in the group a middle finger.
Probably cut him off.
They gave their own people a middle finger?
He gave that one guy a middle finger. His own finger. Yeah, they're all different colors here.
They all don't have to like each other, Mom.
No, they don't. And they're probably from a different area. They're all not in one.
One group, no.
The leader just called them all in.
They look like ants up there.
They look like ants.
Yeah, way out there they look like ants. They look like little ants in the middle of the freeway.
Oh, that one guy he's like the guide or something.
I don't think I could hold my hand up like that all the time. I think that
He
would
slows
kill me.
down and he races forward. He slows down and then he races forward. Like he's a guide or something.
Oh, way up there. Can't see nothing up there. But, okay.
Move your hand.
Right there.
Move your hand.
Okay. But there's a lot of bikes.